Kaonti ma Kericho ni Gavana ma Bomet Hilary Balchok gi seneta ma kaontino Hilary Sigei oyiere mar tieko ywaruok e kindgi kendo keto singo mar tiyo kanyakla mar miyo pek chenro mag chwalo dongruok ne jodak e kaontino. Winjruok ma kamano e kind jotelogi timore motelo ne limbe mar jatend piny William Ruto gi jalupne Rigathi Gachagua e gwengego ka obiro yuoro e alama ma kelo kanyakla dinde ma opogore nyasi mauchan bagi e alap atuke masoti kodichieng' makiny. Jotelogi osebedo gi ywaruok e kindgi kotenore gi wach laro lemo mar tend siasa e kaonti ma osegolo tulo e kind johera mag gi jotelo.
Nataka kuchukua nafasi hii pia kupongeza gavana wetu na seneta kwa vile wamechukua jukumu na wao wenyewe wamesema ya kwamba kutoka sasa mambo yatakuwa ni mazuri.
Niko na furaha kama gavana wa Bomet kwa sababu tumeongea na senator and we don't have any differences with our senator. What we have discovered ni mambo tu na tumeongea hapa, tumesema ni mambo ya ngwel ni fitina na porocho, na tumefunga hiyo chapter and from today na kuenda mbele mpaka 2027 January hakuna siasa ingine, itakuwa tu siasa ya maendeleo.
Following our earlier meeting and today's meeting, we have agreed that as a leadership of the county, it will be an opportunity for us to show the unity that we have in Bomet to our leaders from the President of the Republic of Kenya. And we have agreed that, particularly myself and Governor, that going forward, the direction that we are supposed to go is the direction of showing appropriate leadership to the team that gave us the mandate in August last year to lead, him as the governor, myself as a senator. We all undertake our roles and above all bring unity to the people of Bomet so that we enhance the ability to get development projects brought into our county.